Hello, pile driving activities are taking place throughout Capitol Expressway on the East Ridge to BART Regional Connector Project. To minimize inconvenience to nearby residents and businesses, VTA is doing the following. 1, we have installed acoustic barriers attached to the machine to soften the impacts to the pile driving. 2, we have installed sound walls to reduce the noise from construction. 3, to reduce dust, water trucks navigate through the construction zone. And 4, our community outreach team is communicating with residents, businesses, and other key stakeholders. As construction activities continue, we thank you for your patience.